Opening a bank account for the most basic of transactions need not be so strenuous. 2 forms of ID, proof of address, and even a job letter in most cases, many individuals feel ostracized by the financial sector. A problem that the industry has recognized as well. In a recent episode of Eccb Connects, Deputy Director, Financial Sector Supervision Department, Livia Burton-Mark, details how the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank sought to tackle this issue.
The Eccb, in collaboration with the ECCU Bankers Association, would have formed a working group along with other regulators within the currency union towards a strategy or what we consider to be a roadmap to ease the challenges that we are having with the opening of accounts. To that point, the basic bank account forms one of our strategic pillars that will assist our citizens in the currency union to have easier access to the formal financial sector.
This basic bank account offers individuals access to most banking benefits which are available to regular accounts. It is open to micro and medium enterprises as well, with the maximum deposit amount capping off at $3,000. To open this account, an individual requires only one form of valid identification, Burton-Mark explained.
That information will be obtained. That means you will supply it verbally to the financial institution. Should there be a change in your pattern of behavior, so you do recall we would have indicated you're allowed $3,000 maximum deposit. Should there be changes in that pattern of behavior, the financial institution can call on you for additional information. But to establish this basic bank account, all you require is one piece of valid identification. And of course, you cannot hold an existing bank account because the basic bank account, and I think it's critical to highlight this here, it is targeted to those persons that we consider to be unbanked in our financial system and more so underserved because they do not have access to the formal financial system.
This move, she says, serves to foster inclusivity within the financial sector.
I think we would like to encourage our citizens, particularly those who currently do not have bank accounts, to walk into your banking hall and ask and inquire about the basic bank account. Most importantly, I think it's also important to applaud the effort of the persons operating within the industry. We did indicate that this has been a collaborative approach, but it must be mentioned and highlighted here, the organic nature in which the basic bank account was introduced to our system. And so we applaud the initiative of our licensed financial institutions, and indeed we look forward to working with them as we continue our financial inclusion journey.
Last summer, the central bank governor listed difficulty with opening a first-time bank account as one of the major obstacles to economic growth. With effect from December 1, 2024, the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank has urged all licensed financial institutions, subject to the Banking Act of 2015, to offer their clients this basic bank account. This account does not attract any maintenance fees, is not subject to a minimum balance, and it accrues interests. For Choice News Now, I am Chelsea Austin.